Hello, hello my people. Today we are here to talk about bitter cola, what you can do if your baby have flu or cold, if your baby have cold or cough or catarrh, depends on what your baby have. Okay, today we are here to make you to understand that there's something called bitter cola. This bitter cola, you can actually use it for a baby. When a baby is sick, you can actually use it. Okay, and okay, sorry about it. Okay, you can actually use it to help your baby, to stop him facing stress. Like when a baby is sick, he have cold, or maybe he has flu, you use garlic, boil it. Okay, boil it and give the water to the baby. If it's a like as from one, not before then, as from a year up. Then if your baby have cough, you can also use that same garlic to stop it. Or you put cough and this thing together. Sorry, you put garlic and honey together, boil it and give it to the baby. It will stop that cough. Okay, another way again, depends on the one you like to do, depends on the one you like. Another way again you can do, it can also help that baby, is by boiling orange. If you cut your orange, then you put it in the fire, boil it, make it to be like syrup. Okay, and you will give it to that baby. You will see that cough over. It will stop automatically. Okay, that is it. And if you are an adult and you have flu and you want it to stop instanta, just take piece of garlic, either you slice it, drink it like that. Okay, slice it, drink it like that. Or if you are African like me, and you can put it inside the swallow it. That flow will stop. It will never face it again. That is the truth. Okay, I'm telling you something I am sure of, tested and trusted. Okay, so that is what we have for you guys today. Please, if you like our video, please do give us thumbs up, share, comment, like. If you have any questions, please do leave your questions under the comment section below. Thank you so much. We love you. Bye.